Up next we have the Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Gen 2 USB wireless amplified gaming headset for the PS5 and other previous PlayStation models. It's also compatible with the Nintendo Switch, your PC or Mac. It comes with a 24-hour battery life and is lag-free wireless. We were impressed with the Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Gen 2 USB wireless amplified gaming headset's lag-free wireless connection, which optimizes gaming audio and chat in real time for a gameplay advantage. The upgraded battery provides 24+ hours of gaming per charge, and with quick charging, you can get 8 hours of battery life on just 15 minutes of charge using the included USB-C cable. The Gen 2 flip-to-mute mic improves chat clarity and seamlessly integrates into the headset design when muted. The noise cancellation feature leaves something to be desired, and the construction feels somewhat fragile. Additionally, the audio customization options are limited. The pros are the lag-free wireless connection, long battery life and high-quality mic. A few cons are it has poor noise cancellation, a fragile construction and limited audio customization. Overall, the Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Gen 2 USB wireless amplified gaming headset is a solid choice for gamers looking for a wireless headset with a long battery life and high-quality mic. What do you think of our selections so far? If you're enjoying the video, please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Be sure to check out the links in the description box below to view all products mentioned. Now let's continue.